Good morning, class. So we are back at it again with another lesson, and we are going to talk about the use of plural form of regular nouns. So we are going to talk about the form or the structure of a word or a noun when it is in singular and in plural form. When we say plural form, the noun is uh, more than one. That means they are many. Okay? So we have rules to follow in using uh, plural form in regular nouns. So rule number one, add s to make most nouns plural. Okay, take note of the word most. So that means it is not all, but most nouns. Okay, so we have to add s to make most nouns plural. That's rule number one. To make a noun plural or most noun plural, we have to add s to the word or to the last part of the word. For example, girl, put an s, it will become girls. Tortoise, if we put an s at the end of the word, it will be tortoises. Camera, when we add s to camera, it will become cameras. And monkey, monkeys. Okay, so make s, no, add s to make most noun plural. So that's rule number one. What is rule number two? Rule number two, add es. Rule number one, adding just s. Rule number two, add es to nouns ending with or ending in s, z, ch, x, t, c, h, o, s, 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 h. So please take note uh of these rule because it will be helpful because these are just what they call this consonants. uh, we have s, z, ch, x, t, c, h, and a vowel o, and ss and sh. When we encounter words ending with these letters, we have to use es or we have to add es at the end of the word. Okay, is that understood? Example, here we have those and it ends with e, but we have z here, so we have to put es in here. We put es, so it becomes doses. Okay, moss. Moss ends with ss, so we have to use or we have to add es at the end of the word. It will become Moses, not Moses of the Bible, but Moses, many moss. Okay. The bush. Bush ends with sh, so we have to add es at the end of the word, and it will become bushes. Next is beach. Beach ends with ch, so we have to add es at the end of the word, so it becomes beaches. Okay. Next one is fox. Fox ends with x, so we have to use es or add es at the end of the word. and it will become foxes. Okay. The last one is ditch. Ditch ends with ch, so we have to add es at the end of the word, so it becomes ditches. Always remember, you only have to add s or es at the end of the word. Okay, it's always in the end. Rule number three. Rule number three, when a noun ends with a consonant and y, okay, consonant and y, we have to change a y to I and add es. Rule number one, add s to most nouns. Rule number two, add es to the word ends with ss. What else? X, no, ch or ch. So that's rule number two. And rule number three, when a noun ends with a consonant and y, what is consonant? B, C, D, F, G, H. Yan. So we have to change y to I and add es. Examples. Puppy. Puppy ends with y. So we have to change y to I and add es. Kitty ends with y. So we have to change y to I and add es. Daisy ends with y. So we have to change y to I and add es. Canary. Canary ends with y, so change y to I and add es. Bunny. Bunny ends with y, so change y to I and add es. Guppy ends with y, so change y to I and add es. So we have puppy, puppies, kitty, kitties, daisy, daisies, canary, canaries, bunny, bunnies, guppy, guppies. Okay, I understood. Okay, so short summary of our uh rules. So add s to make most nouns plural. Examples: letter, letters; paper, papers; kid, kids; pot, pots. Rule number two: add es to nouns ending with s, z, ch, x, tch, o, ss, and sh. Example: latch, latches; toss, tosses; box, boxes; tomato, tomatoes; bush, bushes. Is that good? Okay. Number three. When a noun ends with a consonant and y, change y to I and add es. Now, here are the examples. Baby, baby; lady, ladies; butterfly, butterflies. So we change y to I and add es. Okay? So let's play a game. Okay. So in here you have to give the plural form of the word here. So the first word is donkey. What is the plural form of donkey? You have 5 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. What is your answer? The answer is donkey. We add s. Now, sir, donkey ends with y, so we must change y to I and add es. Nope. Rule number three says it y no. the letter before Y must be consonant. So the letter before Y in the word donkey is a vowel, not a consonant. So we just have to add S. Is that understood? Okay. Next word. Thief. Thief. Okay. You have 5 seconds. Give the plural form of the italicized or this word. Five, four, three, two, one. The answer is thieves. Now we have changed F to V in this letter. Now give the plural form of the word sky. What is the plural form of the word sky? Five, four, three, two, one. The plural form of the italicized word or the word sky is skies. So we change Y to I and add ES. What is the plural form of the word branch? Five, four, three, two, one. The answer is branches. I think this is the last one, if I'm not mistaken. Give the plural form of the word fox. What is the plural form of the word fox? Five, four, three, two, one. The answer is foxes. Okay, so activity time. Please download the activity on our Google Classroom and upload it also in our Google Classroom. Okay, so that's all for today. If you have questions, uh just leave a comment on the comment section or in our Google Classroom. Thank you very much. See you later.